Hi, welcome to my man cave. Yes, I do a lot of my work down here. It's not the best setup, I know. This chair, it's so low that I have to reach up to the keyboard. I'm hunched over. I have to crook my neck up to look at the monitor. Not a good setup. So how can I make this better? I know that when my spine is vertical, everything works a lot better. So, vertical spine. There's this great thing. It's called an exercise ball. And when I sit on this exercise ball, I almost have to sit with a vertical spine in order to balance. And I have to sit right in the middle of it. So if I don't sit with my spine vertical, the ball goes out from under me. So this ball can teach me, force me to sit with a vertical spine. It's also a little bit higher, so that when I reach out for the keyboard, my forearms are horizontal. My wrists don't have to bend when I type, and when they are in a straight line, all these tendons, everything in here works much better in a straight line. It's like being vertical. Everything works better, and I don't get carpal tunnel, I don't get tendonitis. So, vertical spine, horizontal forearms, and sit close enough so that I don't have to reach out to get to the keyboard. That this part of my arm, this upper arm, is more or less vertical. Forearms are horizontal. Everything's relaxed. My spine is vertical. My neck also can be a vertical extension of my vertical spine, and my neck can be relaxed. I don't have to reach forward, reach back, look up, look down. I can just look straight out. I adjust the monitor so that I can look straight at it without putting any tension in my neck. Vertical spine, horizontal forearms. Sit close enough so that I don't have to reach and make this part of my arm anything but relaxed and vertical. Slightly engage the abdominal muscles. This exercise ball forces me just to engage my abdominal muscles a little bit. So now I think this is a lot better. Seems a lot more comfortable. Vertical spine, horizontal forearms, vertical upper arms, relaxed vertical extension of the neck. What I do if I get tired of the exercise ball is often sit on a backless bench, like a piano bench. It's also high enough, and I place it in the right place, and there's no back for me to, slump back in. But I use the exercise ball to teach me how to sit. And I switch them around a lot. So keep those things in mind. My feet are flat on the floor, especially from that exercise ball. It teaches me to put my feet flat on the floor, because if my feet aren't flat on the floor, the ball goes out from under me. Feet flat on the floor, vertical spine, horizontal forearms, vertical upper arms, relaxed vertical extension of the neck.